Have you ever opened a web page in Chrome only to find it completely blank until you start scrolling? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If this sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a peculiar issue involving jQuery and right-to-left text that might just be causing your pages to appear blank. I totally get it. You might think it's a problem with the website or a glitch in Chrome, but you're not alone in experiencing this. Many users have reported similar issues, especially when using jQuery with right-to-left text. It's a common tech hiccup. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that their web page appears blank until they scroll. They provided an example HTML code that consistently shows this issue on their machine. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this strange behavior? It seems to be linked to a conflict between jQuery and the right-to-left text direction. This can lead to rendering issues in Chrome, especially if the developer tools are closed. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that could help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of the blank page in Chrome, the user should first check the jQuery version being used. It's important to ensure compatibility with the browser and the HTML structure. Next, the user should modify the HTML structure slightly. Adding a viewport meta tag can help with rendering issues in Chrome. After that, the user can implement a simple jQuery function to force a redraw of the page when it loads. This can help mitigate the blank screen issue. Finally, the user should test the page again in Chrome after making these changes. This will help determine if the issue has been resolved. Fun fact: did you know that right-to-left languages like Arabic and Hebrew are read from right to left, but coding languages are still left to right? It's a quirky world we live in. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests that the direction attribute might interfere with jQuery's functionality. To avoid this issue, you can set the direction attribute after the page loads. This can be done by using JavaScript in the window.onload function. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution suggests modifying how the dir attribute is applied. Instead of setting dir equals RTL directly in the HTML, you can use jQuery to add it after the page loads. This prevents any conflicts with jQuery during the initial loading phase. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user is to add the async attribute to the script tag. This adjustment resolved the issue for them, even though the script is already placed at the end of the body. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests inserting the dir attribute in the body tag's onload event. This way, the direction is set after the page loads, which may help resolve the blank screen issue. Here's a pro tip. Always test your web pages in different browsers and with various settings. This can help you catch issues early and ensure a smoother user experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to tackle the blank screen issue in Chrome. Remember, testing and adjusting your code can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.